How's it going today, YouTube? This is Eric Markland again with Markland Designs of Atlanta, and I'm going to be showing you how to do some cool lighting tricks with this bit right here. This is the LED bit from 12 Volt Tools. It's a really unique bit, to say the least, as far as what it does and how you can use it to create really cool lighting profiles and accents. So let's get started. I'll show you more about this bit. Let's get started. Right, so this is the bit right here. This is the RB, let's put it down. Oops, whoa, we're rolling. All right, this is the RB-1-25 LED. So from 12 Volt Tools, it's a cool bit. I had this bit for some time. I can probably say I was probably one of the first, if not the first person to work with this bit. It's a very unique bit. Like I said, I do a lot of lighting. I won't say I do a lot, but I do a good amount of lighting, and this bit has definitely saved me a lot of time when it comes to incorporating lighting into anything that I build. So let's get started. I'm gonna jump on the router tables and kind of show you the ropes with this bit. So let's get started. I think this is 1-inch acrylic, and you can see that channel that the LED bit makes allows for LED strips to land inside of this channel here. You can roll it all the way across, right? And it's flush. So for up top, no exposed lighting. The actual strip is not exposed. Everything is recessed back perfectly. So if you are, let's say you're doing, this is a piece of wood, and you have another piece of acrylic across that, you don't have to necessarily put tape over it, or I've seen guys, you know, do like duct tape or something to try to hold it in, or like I said, it's a perfect channel that is gapped perfectly for just about every, I mean, I've used 3M, the Metra, I've used just about every brand of LED strips, and it fits in this channel perfectly. Here's another example. Like I said, this is a piece I just made. As you see, everything is flush. But if you want to recess the lighting, you can recess it to where if you had an insert that goes in here, it wouldn't obstruct that at all. And like I said, it's flush. So you're not actually seeing, let's say you back up and you had a piece of inserted acrylic, you wouldn't have the actual LEDs exposed, so you can actually push in another insert. So like I said, if it was acrylic or even a colored acrylic, it would go in flush and it would just have the glow, because like I said, everything is flush. So like I said, this is flush. All you're seeing is the lighting. You're not seeing any exposed LED strips. Like I said, because everything is actually recessed back in here. So here's a better view. Like I said, this is, and like I said, this is all, it's all flush. Of course, you're going to see some of the lighting because I can't hold it exactly parallel to the camera, but you get the idea. It's all flushed out, no exposed actual LED strip. So like I said, this is a really cool bit if you're doing a lot of lighting and you don't have to do a lot of, you know, trying to tape the LEDs down or trying to press them in, or, you know, if you don't have to worry about, you know, doing inserts and having to compensate for that, you can just use the bit and press the LEDs in, and you don't have to worry about it. Like I said, your piece can go flush against it without having to worry about any obstruction from the actual LED strips themselves. So hope this video helps. And if you have any other questions, like I said, as always, you can leave a comment down below or just email me. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And next week, we'll be going over this bit from Mobile Solutions. We're gonna kind of show you the benefits of it, some of the cool things you can do with this bit. And yeah, we'll get further to that next week. Thanks a lot.